all of my joy, and the greatest love of my life.
My one wish finally came true.
Exploring? Exploring. Having a snack and exploring. Did you drop your flowers? Walking around and exploring. That's a crazy looking, whatever that is over there. That's some woods right there.
Good morning. It's Saturday. I am at Walmart starting the day off early. I've got to get some paint for the mirror, the clear coat stuff, and a couple other little things for the little projects around the house and cleaning up today. And then we'll see where the day takes us. I hope you're having an awesome Saturday. Hey gang, I'm cleaning out the flower beds. Oh man, I was hoping to get a better picture of him. I made a buddy.
Everybody's fishing down the lake. The swans are. We're digging in the mud, right, Mabel? Digging in the mud. Mabel held her first worm. Yeah. Does mama birds feed baby birds worms? I got my shovel. We're in our play clothes and getting dirty. Is that fun, baby? Are you having fun? Got a ponytail and everything. Look at this worm. Mabel, do you want to hold the worm? Hold it. Get it? Hold our first worm. Boy, that's so cute. Is that worm cute? Is it cool? You having fun? Huh? Out there fishing. My mom, my dad's over there, and my sister's husband. Hi, pretty swans. Hi, pretty swans. What do you think? You think those are swans or ducks? Look at this fish. Look at that fish. You want to touch it? Pet it.
Slimy.
Pet that fish. Say hi, fish. Hi, fish.
Well, It's been several hours since last we spoke. I got Mabel's frame is finished. You do not get to see it yet. I got the front yard flower beds cleaned out, the bushes and the tree trimmed back, the yard mowed front and back. I cleaned the kitchen. I mopped and swept and vacuumed the floors. I cleaned the bathroom and I started the laundry. Now I am going to get something to eat. I'm not going to tell you where because it's fat. It's McDonald's. And go home and watch a movie. I received word today that when Mabel sees me, it makes her upset because I'm not there, but as long as she doesn't see me, she doesn't remember that I'm not there, so I haven't got to talk to her since. Yes. I guess it was last night, but it was just for like a second because she kept wanting to go out into the hall. No, that was Thursday. Not since Thursday. And I won't get to talk to her again today because it upsets her, so. That has been very hard. This sucks. The day is done. It is long past done. It is like 2:30 in the morning. And I am finished and caught up and anxiously awaiting the return of my family. So today, y'all would be so proud. I worked so hard. I got the flower beds cleaned out. I got the bushes trimmed. I got the tree trimmed. I got the front and backyards mowed. I got Mabel's mirror finished. I got that entire house clean. I even got the floors mopped. And watched Pete's Dragon. And now I'm going to sleep. I'm a little bit delirious. Alright guys. You didn't see this video the day that I taped it. The day after I taped it because of the Wi-Fi issues. But today was Saturday. And I miss my family. I miss you guys. I miss the interaction that we usually have. I'm anxious to get back to that. If you enjoyed today's vlog, please give us the thumbs up. Please click the subscribe button to be part of our family. We would love to have you. Chentel has conveniently linked the video from last year down below. All of our social media is down below. Our P.O. box is down below. We would love to hear from you. I'm going to sleep. You guys have a great night, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.
Alright, so again, we're gonna end the vlog in the morning. So it's the last night, the last time here. Thank you for watching.
Whoa.
Whoa. Thank you for watching. If you liked today's vlog, thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to become a Maybelline. You haven't already. We vlog daily. So we'll see you tomorrow. Check all the videos and links down below. I don't know what we did last year, but if you look down there, it'll be linked. Thank you so much for bearing with us and the no videos this weekend. But like I said in the update video, I will get them uploaded, edited and uploaded on separate videos, and so it'll all be good. I'll catch up. I want to say goodbye, night night. Oh, and I bet you guys have been missing her vlogging at night. We'll get back to that too. Bye. You're doing so good.
You look so good, Mabel.
Wow, it's so pretty. Are you getting makeup on like Mama? Kind of. So good.
Bye, bye, sugar.